What if your money never stopped working, even when you do? Imagine earning while you sleep, travel, or relax with loved ones. Not a dream, but a strategy. Welcome back to Financial Mastery Insights, where smart money moves lead to real freedom. In today's video, we're unlocking the true power of passive income, the ultimate wealth-building secret that the wealthy swear by, but rarely talk about. This isn't about risky get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building reliable income streams that grow in the background while you live life on your own terms. From high-yield dividend stocks and hands-off real estate investments to digital assets that earn 24/7, we're diving deep into real strategies that work, even if you're starting from scratch. So why does this matter more than ever? Because in today's economy, relying on a single paycheck is not just limiting, it's dangerous. Passive income is your path to financial independence and long-term security. Ready to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck grind and build effortless wealth? Then stick with us, because what you'll learn today could completely change your financial future. Let's get into it. Understanding passive income. Passive income is a financial concept that refers to earnings generated with minimal effort or active involvement. Unlike active income, which requires you to trade your time for money, like a traditional job, passive income allows you to earn money even when you're not actively working. This distinction is crucial for anyone looking to build wealth and achieve financial independence. There are numerous sources of passive income that can help you on your wealth-building journey. One popular avenue is real estate investment, where you can earn rental income from properties you own. This can provide a steady cash flow while the property appreciates in value over time. Another source is dividend-paying stocks, where you receive regular payments from companies in exchange for holding their shares. Additionally, creating digital products such as ebooks or online courses can generate income long after the initial effort has been put in. The significance of passive income in wealth building cannot be overstated. By establishing multiple streams of passive income, you can create a financial cushion that allows you to pursue your passions and interests without the constant pressure of a 9-to-5 job. This financial freedom means you can spend more time with family, travel, or even start new ventures that excite you. Passive income is not just about making money, it's about creating a lifestyle where you have the time and resources to enjoy life to the fullest. Embracing this concept can be a game changer in your journey toward financial independence. The mindset of the wealthy. When it comes to building wealth, the mindset you adopt can be just as important as the strategies you implement. Wealthy individuals often share a common trait, a growth mindset. This perspective emphasizes the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. By embracing a growth mindset, you open yourself up to new opportunities and are more likely to achieve your financial goals. One of the key habits of successful individuals is continuous learning. Wealthy people understand that the world is constantly changing, and staying informed is crucial. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or engaging in online courses, they prioritize education as a means to enhance their skills and knowledge. This commitment to learning not only helps them make informed decisions, but also positions them to seize new opportunities as they arise. Another important habit is strategic risk-taking. Wealthy individuals are not afraid to take calculated risks, whether it's investing in a new venture or exploring innovative ideas. They understand that with great risk can come great reward, and they approach these situations with careful analysis and planning. This willingness to step outside their comfort zone often leads to significant financial gains. As you embark on your own wealth-building journey, consider adopting these mindsets and habits. Embrace a growth mindset, prioritize continuous learning, and don't shy away from taking strategic risks. By doing so, you'll not only enhance your financial prospects, but also cultivate a more fulfilling and successful life. Remember, the right mindset can be the catalyst for your financial transformation. Investing wisely. When it comes to generating passive income, investing wisely is essential. There are several investment vehicles available that can help you build wealth over time, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Each of these options has its own unique characteristics and potential for returns, making it important to understand how they work. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can provide significant returns through capital appreciation and dividends. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it also comes with higher volatility. On the other hand, bonds are considered safer investments as they involve lending money to governments or corporations in exchange for interest payments. While bonds typically offer lower returns than stocks, they can provide stability to your portfolio. Mutual funds, which pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, offer a convenient way to gain exposure to various assets without having to pick individual securities. One of the most important principles of investing is diversification. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and sectors, you can minimize risk and protect your portfolio from market fluctuations. Diversification helps ensure that if one investment underperforms, others may compensate for those losses. As you consider your investment options, take the time to research and choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Understanding your objectives will help you make informed decisions and create a balanced portfolio that can generate passive income over time. Remember, smart investing is a journey, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to achieve your financial aspirations. Leveraging technology. In today's digital age, technology plays a pivotal role in building wealth effortlessly. With the right apps and platforms at your fingertips, generating passive income has never been easier. From investment platforms to budgeting tools, technology can streamline your wealth-building efforts and help you achieve your financial goals. One of the most popular ways to leverage technology is through investment apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Betterment. These platforms allow you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and other assets with minimal fees and user-friendly interfaces. For those interested in real estate, platforms like Fundrise and Roofstock enable you to invest in properties without the hassle of traditional real estate management. These tools make it simple to start generating passive income, even if you're new to investing. Automation is another game changer in managing your investments and savings. Many financial apps offer features that allow you to automate contributions to your investment accounts or savings goals. For instance, you can set up recurring transfers to your investment portfolio or savings account, ensuring that you consistently contribute to your wealth-building efforts without having to think about it. This not only helps you stay disciplined, but also takes advantage of dollar-cost averaging, which can enhance your investment returns over time. As you embark on your journey to financial independence, don't hesitate to utilize technology to your advantage. By embracing these tools and automating your processes, you can streamline your wealth-building efforts and focus on what truly matters, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Remember, technology is here to help you work smarter, not harder, on your path to financial success. Real-life success stories. Inspiring stories of individuals who have achieved wealth through passive income can serve as powerful motivation for anyone looking to enhance their financial future. Take, for example, the story of Pat Flynn, an entrepreneur who turned his passion for online business into a thriving source of passive income. After losing his job, Pat created a website to help others pass the architectural exam. Through affiliate marketing and online courses, he was able to generate significant income while working from home. His journey teaches us the importance of leveraging your skills and knowledge to create valuable content that can earn money even when you're not actively working. Another remarkable example is Brandon Turner, co-host of the Bigger Pockets podcast and a successful real estate investor. Brandon started investing in real estate with little money and built a portfolio that generates substantial passive income through rental properties. His strategy focused on acquiring properties that provided cash flow and appreciating value over time. Brandon emphasizes the importance of education and networking in real estate, showing that with the right knowledge and connections, anyone can achieve financial success. These stories highlight that financial independence is not just a dream, it's attainable with the right strategies and mindset. By learning from successful individuals like Pat and Brandon, you can adopt their approaches and apply them to your own journey. Whether it's through online businesses, real estate, or other passive income streams, remember that with dedication and perseverance, you too can build wealth while you sleep. Your financial success story could be next. As we wrap up this insightful journey into building wealth effortlessly through passive income, let's recap the key strategies we've discussed. We explored the concept of passive income and how it differs from active income, highlighting various sources such as stocks, real estate, in digital products. We also emphasize the importance of a growth mindset and continuous learning, which are essential for achieving financial goals. Additionally, we delved into the role of technology in streamlining your wealth-building efforts, from investment apps to automation tools that make managing your finances easier. The most crucial takeaway is that taking action is vital. Knowledge alone won't lead to financial success. It's the application of these strategies that will set you on the path to financial independence. Whether you start investing in stocks, exploring real estate, or leveraging technology to automate your savings, the time to act is now. Remember, every small step you take today can lead to significant rewards in the future. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom. Like this video to show your support, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can build a community focused on achieving financial freedom and empowering each other on our wealth-building journeys. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.